In this video, we're going to look into the accounts for non-profit organization, the first sum from Standard 12 Samacheer textbook, Chapter 2. So this sum is about Kurunji Sports Club for the year ending 2018. 31st December 2018, and they've asked us to prepare a receipts and payments account. So this is the most damn easiest account to prepare, because whatever we are receiving, we are going to put it on the receipt side, and whatever we are going to pay, we are going to put it on the payment side. So you just have to read the items properly and put it down in the correct side. So first, let's start off with writing the format for the receipts and payments account. Simple, the receipt side and the payment side, and then we'll start off with the sum. Let's start with the receipts and payments account. So first, starting of the sum, I've written down Kurunji Sports Club, the name of the club and the date what they've given in the problem. So next, I've given the receipts and payments side. So in the receipts and payments account, the debit side is going to be the receipt side and the credit side is going to be the payment side. So first, when starting the receipts and payments account, you have to look into the problem for a cash balance. So they'll give you an opening balance and you have to find a closing balance, right? So now in our problem, they've given you cash in hand 1/1/2018. So there's an opening balance which is already there in the account. So cash in hand is going to be a receipt to us. So it's going to be on the receipt side to balance brought down. That is cash balance. So that's going to be 4,000 rupees outer column. We are not going to do any kind of calculations as far as receipts and payments account is related with. So next item is salaries paid. Paid in the sense it's payment. So go to the payment side and write by salaries. So that's 3,000 rupees. Next is life membership fee received. Received in the sense it's a receipt. So to life membership fee. So we are receiving it. So 10,000 on the receipt side. So next one is subscription received. So again on the receipt side to subscription. So that is rupees 15,000. Next we have rent received again on the receipt side. So to rent received, that is 2,000. Next, on the right hand side tableau column, we have paid for printing charges. So paid in the sense it's going to be payment. So go to the payment side by printing charges. So that's 2,500. Next, locker rent received. So receipt. So go to the receipt side to locker rent. 1,000. Next is tournament receipt. So again on the receipt side to tournament receipts. So that is 14,000. Next, tournament expenses. So it's an expense. It's a payment which has occurred. So by tournament expense. We are paying for this expense. So 10,500 on the payment side. Next, investment purchase. When you purchase something, you're going to pay money for it. So it goes on the payment side. So by investment purchased. So that's 25,000. So we've recorded all the items in the receipts and payments account irrespective of capital receipts or revenue receipts, capital payments or revenue payments. It's all going to be recorded one and common as receipt and payment. So if it is received, it's on the receipt side. If it's a payment, it's going to come on the payment side. So next, let's get the total of the receipts and payment side. Now the payment side total is 41,000 and the receipt side total is 46,000. So obviously the receipt side total is more. So write that 46,000 in the total column for both the receipts and the credit, that is payment side also. So now our payment side is less. So that is where our balance is going to fall. So there's going to be balance. We started the sum with a cash balance. So again we're going to end the sum with a cash balance again. So this balance carried on closing cash balance. So 46,000 minus 41,000 is 5,000.